What makes a reliable CNC machining manufacturer? Only insiders know the real answer. Finding the long-term partner for mechanical processing among original factories in China is far more challenging than expected. Some suppliers respond quickly but fail to control tolerance standards. Others deliver exquisite samples, yet suffer frequent quality issues in mass production. That's why our factory focuses on one core principle: stable and reliable machining. From drawings to mass production, we strictly control the tolerance and quality of every single part. 100% full inspection before shipment ensures flawless delivery. Every rotation of the machine, every careful inspection, represents our responsibility and commitment to our customers. Our equipment: machining, 3-axis, 4-axis, 5-axis machining centers, turn mill combination, lathe turning. Inspection: coordinate measuring machine, CNC, profile projector, micrometer, hardness tester, roughness tester, and complete inspection equipment. Certification: Huayu Industries, ISO 9001 certified, serving aerospace, medical devices, automotive parts, new energy, and industrial components. We turn your designs into reality. No fancy marketing, only professional CNC machining. With craftsmanship, we build precision products. From drawing reviewed and sample making to batch production, we guarantee quality, efficiency, and on-time delivery. Your design, our precision. Huayu Precision, your trusted CNC machining partner.